bro.
You want me to drive back?
Ow! What is doing?
Sitting hustling. We got intruders? Oh my goodness, it's Gunner. Welcome home, buddy. Glad to see you. Did you have a long day at work? Yo, dude, what are you doing creeping around the house, buddy? What's up and good evening, guys. Welcome back to another video. Tonight we got something a little different planned. You guys know I like to bring you different types of videos and or dance with the horse. I like to bring you guys a lot of behind the scenes stuff that a lot of people don't get to see or don't get to film. And tonight is one of those opportunities that it's gonna take some work from us. You know, we gotta go put in the work tonight, but we're gonna be able to get you guys behind the scenes footage. Chris, what are we doing tonight? Are we playing car hauler?
We're playing car hauler.
Do you think Andre's gonna let me drive his fully loaded semi?
Maybe.
So tonight we're actually going to be going to, we have the International Auto Show in town, which is like our town's biggest vehicle shows. Thousands of cars, all the automakers come out and display their newest vehicles for the year. And well, we're gonna have the opportunity to go into the convention center and pull a bunch of them out and transport them. And I don't know, we're gonna see where the night takes us. So we have made it downtown. You can see the convention center right there, as well as all the car haulers starting to line up out front. Now the fun part is me and Chris need to find us some parking. So we know Andre's waiting in line. We're assuming he's one of these trucks. He's probably in the back right there. That looks like, is that him? What do we just start? Should we just start yelling, Andre? Andre! Andre! Andre!
Oh, there he is.
Andre! Hey, buddy! All right, so we've made our way to the, I guess the line where everybody waits. Mac Auto Transport number 1. This one's not Andre. All right, let's break into this one. Steal it, Chris. Steal the truck. Steal the truck.
Fast and Furious.
Hey! What's up, buddy? What are you doing, dude?
Just stuff on my clipboard.
Jeez. Hey, we got lights in this thing? Whee! What is Chris doing in the sleeper? Oh! What is going on, dude?
Nothing, man.
What's up, buddy? Holy vape, bro. How much vape crap do you need? This stuff kills you, dude.
It's better than a heart attack, man.
The sweet subs in here. Is this the one I drove?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. You want to hop in the truck behind? I'll take this one in. Can I drive this thing fully loaded?
Do you want to?
Kinda.
Drive it fully loaded?
I do want to drive it fully loaded.
Really?
I don't know. I just like driving the biggest, heaviest stuff. I'll tell you what. We'll worry about that when we get out of town.
Yeah.
I don't want to drive it downtown on all the crazy, tiny one-way streets. What is going on back there with this guy? Dang. Is that where the magic happens? Yeah. Is that you got a big old lot lizard back there? Oh, jeez. All right, well, and the truck is shaking. All right.
Okay.
So, Andre, tell us what's going on, buddy. What are we doing waiting in line?
Waiting in line to get these trucks.
So, I guess we're all Chevrolet today, right? Is that what it is?
Yeah, GM.
Oh, all GM. Is it like different brokers get with different
Yeah.
manufacturers?
Yeah.
So you guys are always GM, right?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
All the GM.
So what we're gonna be doing is what, multiple runs tonight, right? 2 runs are going to what, an auction lot?
Yeah.
To sit there. One's going to the dealership.
Damn,
Dude, you got way more room in this truck than he does.
Oh, yeah, dude, I got bunk baits.
It's padded, so when you go crazy, you can just bounce off the walls. When you got on that truck stop speed. All right, these guys are moving up, I think, maybe, I don't know. Whew, it's a tight squeeze down here in this parking garage. The good news is, being downtown this late at night, there ain't that many people here. Normally this place would be completely packed and flooded. What are you worried about?
Clowns.
You think there's clowns down here?
I mean, maybe.
We have made it up top to where all of the trucks are staged and loading. So basically, all the vehicles got to come out of the convention center. I believe they, go around the backside?
No, they're downstairs.
Yep.
They get moved downstairs, and then we bring them back up and come around here.
So essentially, we're going to be bringing a bunch of cars around, throwing them on both of Andre's trucks and trailers. If you guys remember the chaos that was SEMA, I have a feeling it's a little bit more organized, but still pretty chaotic. Everything's not crammed in this show as it is like at SEMA.
They got trucks all the way down there. They got trucks in the back.
Kind of looking like it's going to be a late night for everybody, being that none of these trucks are loaded yet, and most of these guys show up and it's just them, right? So they have to, one at a time, bring the car to the trailer, get it loaded, go back down, pick up another car, bring it all the way around. With Andre, he's got us two chuckleheads showing up here. We're going to actually probably help him out pretty substantially today. Hey man, I didn't know that go-kart was on. It's crazy seeing all these electric vehicles getting loaded. All right, go get your cardio in for the day. Do it. No, I'll take your hands out of your pocket. You got it, go. Oh, jeez. Yeah, we're the auto transporting pros that showed up today. Dude, Andre needs to get one of these. Now that's a sleeper. Desert Storm veteran. Well, thank you whoever's driving that. Thank you for your service. Oh, jeez. Dude, go load that on Andre's trailer. And then you gotta like get the app, scan that code right there, and then it, like you pay on the app. Oh, jeez. You might wanna put the kickstand up. We just noticed Andre's not in his truck. Andre! Are you in here, buddy? Oh, hey, Chris. Oh, sick sunglasses, dude. Oh, dude, you look like a French trucker. Damn, this thing's got almost 600,000 miles on it and 221,000 hours. Hey, man, are you out there? Over. Maybe Andre got like kidnapped, dude. I don't know where he went. I legit don't know what I did. I just touched that pedal and now the truck's going crazy.
Dude, man.
It's legit high idling. I don't know what to do. Yep. This is where we exit the truck that we just broke. Sorry, Andre, wherever you are. Somehow I turned your high idle on. I don't know how to turn it off. Andre, what happened to your truck, man?
What, man? What happened?
I don't know. I might have broke it. It started idling all crazy on me. Oh yeah, how's Chris?
It's a regen, man. It's a regen.
All right, we're good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right. What is going on with Mac Auto Transport over here? This guy behind us waiting in line, he's loading, and we're still like a mile from the convention center. Andre, why aren't we loading, bro? There's the setup right here. Hey Andre, it's time to step your game up, dude. This trailer's sick. Looks like we've got most of the Ford rigs coming out right here.
Might be Harold.
That was Harold. So for those of you that don't know, Chris used to actually work for Andre, doing auto transport. So this is his world right here. He knows everybody.
He doesn't like me.
Oh, he's not friends with you?
No.
He doesn't like you?
No.
Why doesn't he like you?
I don't know, man. Can't tell you.
Oh, dang. What happened in his sleeper? Well, since there's plenty of room for these guys to pull up and make some room for each other. They're all so dang spaced out. We're gonna go downstairs and see where they stage the cars, or see if they kick us out. So over at this level, the parking garage is where they're bringing all the cars out of the convention center, dropping them. That's where the car haulers come in and pick them up. So you can see all of the Lincolns are staged right here. We've got Kias and stuff back there. We're picking up GM trucks. And the problem is, I don't see any GM vehicles down here yet. So I don't even know if they've brought them out of the convention center and staged them for us. Hark, Christopher, over there. Could it be? Is that a Chevrolet?
Maybe. Let's go see.
Okay, let's go see. I think we found the GM area over here. We got a Tahoe, some Silverados. Hey, how do we know which ones are ours? Ooh, looks like we got a brand new AT4 Carbon Pro 6.2. These things are actually pretty cool. Like I said, you guys know about these trucks. I don't like the interiors on the new 2020 GM trucks, but exterior wise, this is not a bad looking truck. And then over here, we've got a Denali HD Dually, which is cool because I've been wanting to drive one of these. I haven't driven one yet. I wonder if this is gonna be one that we're gonna end up taking today.
So we got a Camaro, Equinox, Blazer, Canyon, Yukon, and Sierra.
I've got a Camaro right there.
And it should say Mac on them.
Where does it say Mac on them? We found your Yukon. Can we take your Yukon?
Found the Yukon.
Yukon's first, right? I guess there's an order to load them up.
Yeah, Yukon and Sierra.
All right, well, I've got the Yukon. Did they just leave the keys in these things? I guess we're gonna find out. Oh boy, Chris is my first job as an auto transporter, dude.
Yeah. You need to grow a belly though.
Action required. Open, then close driver window. Why? Does that make you nervous?
You're embarrassing, man. I'm not a true transporter.
I'm not a true transporter?
What you guys doing, man?
Listen, you said load it backwards. I was gonna drive it backwards down the street. Chris told me I'm crazy. I shouldn't do that.
That's fine, man.
I should have drove down backwards at this point.
Doing a great job, buddy.
Am I a transporter now, Chris?
Yeah, I mean,
Almost.
almost.
He don't even got his ramps out. Let's go. Come on. Hey, we're trying to make money, Andre. What are we doing out here? A dime waiting on a dollar. No, dollar waiting on a dime. Andre, I feel like an auto transporter now, man. Is this what it's like?
Yeah,
It's the
man.
rush of the life?
Yeah, man.
You got any of that truck stop speed?
Bang?
Bang? Yeah, you got any bang?
Yeah, you want some? You want to drive it up?
Oh no, that looks far. I'm good, bro.
You drive the ones forward if you want.
Yeah, I'm not about to back all the way up there with no lip on the edge. I'm good. Good Lord.
Oh, slow down.
Listen, if you guys have never done this, I've driven my truck just on like the back half of his truck before. It's sketchy. There's like no lip to catch you or to like keep your tire from going over the edge. Dang, Reliable got the brand new AT4 HD. This seriously, dude, these trailers are so nice. Stackers, fully adjustable up and down. Doesn't look fun to climb out of those cars though. You got to climb out the window. Of course, we got to get the vehicles that are all the way at the opposite end of the parking garage where we need to be.
This would have been the one that he should have took.
Gotcha.
That one there. But you guys took the black one. So we're going to want to probably leave this load and just take this load here.
We can do that.
He wants the Canyon next too, so
There's this dude right here. Cool. Side by side.
Truck number 2. Well, guys, I might be fired my first day of auto transport. Apparently, the Yukon that we just grabbed was the wrong Yukon. That's gonna be for a different load, so they break them all up by loads. The guy you see walking around over here, that's the guy that's like organizing everything, and he's breaking it up into loads, but apparently we kind of started grabbing from what would have been his last load first, so now we're flip-flopping loads. So we're taking this Sierra that I'm in right now. Chris is following behind me in the Canyon. I don't know, Chris looks pretty good in that thing. Maybe we'll get him a Canyon. Good Lord, he barely even gets the ramps. Come on, Chris, you used to do this. You're not gonna pull it up?
Huh?
You're not gonna pull it up? You used to do this?
No, next one.
Oh, next one, all right. We just walked down here and the head honcho was like, you guys take these two, I'm taking this Blazer. But like, none of these are on our list. So now, this one's on our list? Equinox?
Yeah.
All right, well, you take the Equinox. I don't know where's that going? We wanted Blazer, Equinox, Camaro, right?
Yeah.
Well, in that case, I'm grabbing the Camaro then. All right, hopefully the Camaro is supposed to be next. Otherwise, we're really gonna look like rookies. VIN number 4429. All right, well, hey, we're taking this Camaro. Oh, geez, how do people drive these things? They're so low to the ground. Hey, GM, we need this accent lighting in our trucks. Whoa! I have no clue what edition Camaro this is, but it sounds really good. Dude, I don't know how people drive these things. Seriously, my head is above the windshield. Well, guys, we downgraded. We were in the Camaro. Luckily, we got stopped before we got too far with a vehicle we weren't supposed to take on this load. Now we're in a Malibu, which holy cheap Chevy. Like, what's going on? Like, legit cloth wrapped whole freaking dash. This looks horrible. You looking for a Malibu?
What happened?
I was told the Malibu.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I'm very confused at this point. There's like 14 lists and none of them are making sense. So we've got Andre's fully loaded up down there. Manny's just got to raise his deck up, and then we're gonna load the 3 on the bottom here. So I don't think we really thought this through. To go in and out of the parking lot we're parked in, it's 20 bucks each time. So unless Mac Auto Transport wants to give me 20 bucks to go in and out, I guess we're, oh man. All right, let me drive. Dude, how do you see out of this thing, bro?
What do you mean?
You got your visors down, it's nighttime, your seat's on the floor.
My windshield's dirty.
Yeah, you got all kinds of crap in the way.
Yeah.
All kinds of wires and crap and stuff everywhere. That's the good stuff right there. Come on, Andre. Yeah! Well, we've made it to the auction yard. Oh, dang. Now we're waiting on the guy that doesn't like Chris. Chris, go tell him to get out of the way for us. We're trying to pull in.
Kick him in the nuts.
All right, well, it's a little dark out here, but we have made it to the auction yard. This is just acres and acres and acres of vehicles that are going to be auctioned, but I guess they also use this yard for storage, which is where all the Chevy vehicles are gonna get stored before I guess they get distributed back to dealerships. I'm not exactly sure how that works. Looks like Manny's just pulling up too, but I feel like he got the better load. You got all the trucks.
Better load, trailer, truck.
Better lights, better everything. Apparently we gotta climb in the window on this one. Dukes of Hazzard style. Oh jeez, can't get my legs up here. Too old for this. All right, let's see if I can pull us off without hitting anything. Sketchy, real tight. This for sure makes me a call hauler. I unloaded the trailer. All right, you're next, Chris. Back this one out. Hey, Chris, you actually unloaded one. Beep, beep. You want me to drive back?
Ow.
All right, well, load number 1 is done. Jeez, I don't know how Andre drives on the ground. Chris, are you nervous, buddy? Starting second. That's middle up. Oh,
There you go.
that was barely a gear grind, dude. That was barely.
5.
Where's 5? Middle?
No.
That's 6.
6. My bad.
Hey,
Alright.
we got it, buddy.
Now we're moving.
at that. Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. Can't even see the trailer. It's got no lights on it. Can't see out this dude. I can't see out the windshield. Got this.
Nice wide, man.
Got this.
What is doing? Sitting, that's one.
I was on a hill, dude. I was scared. All right. Well, that concludes our tour here.
Yeah, there you go.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Did you have fun, buddy?
Yeah, man, should do this again sometime.
Andre's like, hey man, you should drive all the way back, and then I'll just like relax in the seat. And how relaxed were you, buddy?
Just like that, dude.
Oh, so that's how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah.
Ah, how come yours don't make the grinding sound?
Probably because I don't use a clutch.
Oh, yeah. So you didn't tell me that.
I told you last time, man.
That was like 2 years ago.
Retain information.
Listen, give me like 2 days in one of these things, and we'll be golden.
Uses are like ass.
Chris over here, the hardest working guy, passed out. And 4 hours later, we've made it back to the convention center, ready for load 2. Chris, are you awake, buddy? I'm free. So the head honcho actually brought all the cars up while we were gone, and I mean he brought them up for both trucks. So Manny's already pretty much loaded up here. All these are going on Andre's truck. Biggest janitor key rings in the world right here. That's fun stuff right there. All right, now you gotta keep track of all of them. You drive it up. You did this for a living with him.
No, dude, I almost crashed plenty of times.
I'm not going over the edge with a brand new truck. Oh, this one's Duramax. Hey. Oh, emission systems. It's got emission systems. Ugh. I don't want it anymore. Ah, let's see what this thing's all about. This is the smaller diesel. The little baby Duramax in it. Yeah.
Well, that is 1,500.
It's a baby Duramax.
$63,000.
Jeez.
24 miles per gallon, though.
And my truck gets that now. All you gotta do is wipe that off the windshield and you're good. Can't even hear it. And they still kept the dual exhaust in the back. All right, let's see what this is all about. What's the trick?
On the edge. Yeah, man. Go straight.
How far out? Yeah, we're gonna have to get a little running start here.
Yeah, you're good right there.
You think it's gonna go?
Saw my ramp broke last time.
These Colorados have no balls. Go! Well, now we get to get back in the Camaro. Dude, the screen on this thing, even like the screen on the Camaro points like down. I don't understand why they didn't point it up towards the driver. All right, guys, well, we're gonna finish up getting this last load onto Andre's truck here, then me and Chris are gonna take off. So I think we learned a lot today, living the life of a car hauler. I don't know if it's necessarily the life for me, but I respect what they do. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now, that way you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, get a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to. What do you gotta do if you wanna, you know, like earn some money in life?
Oh, dude, you just gotta work for it.
All right, you guys are the best.
Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.